I'm polishing the headlights on a 2010 Chevy Cobalt. They're very cloudy, which definitely hurts the visibility. All I'm using to clean this is toothpaste, a toothbrush, and some paper towels. This actually works really good. Just regular toothpaste. It can't be the gel kind. It's better if it's just regular paste. So spread it on there. Alright, there's the before and after. As you can see, if you do that a few times, it'll be dramatically more noticeable. So let me keep working on it and I'll show you the finished product. And here is the after shot after I polished them with the toothpaste. And you can see how clear they look. And you're going to get about the same results as you would with the whole entire kit you'd get from AutoZone or the parts store. And all you have to do is use toothpaste.